Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to create a visual for a dashboard in the Power BI service using the Q&A mode. So let's start. So I'm already logged into the Power BI service. I'll click here and then I'll go on to one of my workspaces called Learn to Excel. And I've got this dashboard. So I click on the dashboard and we'll add a visual into it using the Q&A mode. So when I've logged into the dashboard, you can see it gives me the option to ask a question. And essentially I can do a natural language question here and it will show me the various options. So let's say I click on here and I know my data set fairly well. So it gives me various suggestions as well. So I can click on show all suggestions, but I know what I want to look for. So I want to see sales by English. So as I type, it shows me the stuff as well. So it's saying that sales by, so I've got this dim geography table. So it's giving me the option one, English country region name is one of the fields. So yeah, that's what I'm after. So I'll select that. And you can see that it's created that visual for me. And all I need to do now is pin that visual. So if I select on pin visual, it gives me the option. So I can select the existing dashboard or a new dashboard. So in this case, I'll just pin it to the existing dashboard. So I select the pin option. And now if I exit the Q&A mode, if I scroll to the bottom, you can see that it's added that, and then I can probably just edit and make modifications to this visual as well as I go along. So in this video, we've essentially learned how to create new visuals in the Power BI service using the Q&A mode. I hope you find this video useful and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Do let me know if you'd like me to take up any specific topics. Cheers, bye.